Guys, check this out. What? How cool does that look? I'm going to show you around. This honeycomb shaped air vent feeds air into the batteries. Look at this honeycomb carbon fiber body. Isn't that beautiful? And then the best part, the tail lights. See how you can touch them? Isn't that amazing? These are laser fiber lights, and when you brake the car, that's what they do. They change shape. And now for the best part. Let's open her up. How mad is that? Look how quickly it opened. Let's take a look at the interior. It's like a treasure box opening because they really want to show off what is happening inside the car. This here, this is all storage space. So these are actually suitcases that we can take out. Can we undo this? There we go. And it has this much storage because it's a fully electric car. So there are batteries here in the front, in the center, and batteries here in the back, in the center. Right, let's get in. You got to straddle it and try and be elegant about it. Probably better than I could do it. It's so big inside. It's amazing. And then the pedals, you can move either back or forward with this button here. Forward. All right. Here we go. Slot your phone in here. Let's go for a drive. This is how you start her up. Start button. Now I'm just going to shut the whole canopy here with this button. That's reverse, neutral, and now drive. You ready?
Right.
Okay, when I lift my foot off the brake, it's just going to go. So here we go. Zero to 100 in less than 4 seconds. It's a fast car.